What's up, YouTube? I did phase one of my basement here. The other phase is doing my media room, which right now you can see it's not done. The fireplace and everything. That's where I'm going to have my TV, entertainment center, surround sound, all that jazz. But right now, I just finished my art and statue section. And even though I call it the basement, it's really the first level of the house. So as you can see, I have my figures, my smaller ones in these, along with some art. And then over here, I have my 1/4 scale statues. So I'm just going to quickly go through and show you what I have. I only have a few minutes left on my phone here as far as battery. So anyway, first I wanted to show you, there you go, Lord of Darkness. Love that guy. And this is going to be pretty quick. Let's see, there's Lady Death. Now some of you might notice that she fits with her staff there, and it's because I moved the shelves up one level and moved it down a level to normal. And because of that, she can fit. So when I get my other statue here, which is going to be red Sonia, she should have enough room to fit. So a little trick for you guys if you have the Bestas. As you can see where the Joker is, those are at the regular height. So I don't know if I'll move the shelves up and down to make more room, but it's going to be a lot of work, so I don't know. Anyway, so here's the Joker. Love this guy. Okay. His Lilith. This is Yamato USA. As soon as I saw this, I had to get it. I mean, there's a white version, but I prefer the gothic look here. Absolutely beautiful. And Louis Royo, one of my favorite artists. Very gothic, sexy, beautiful woman. This is a random statue I had a long time ago, and I figured it'd look good here. So, let's see. Gentle Giant. Alright, so this is Dooku with, I cannot pronounce her name, but it's, I forget, anyway, I'm not even going to try to attempt to say her name, but yeah, this is my grail. It's not rare or anything like that, it's just, as soon as I saw this, I kind of hunted down, because I wanted it so bad. But I love the pose, I love his face, I love her face, everything about this. It's just a beautiful piece. I just wish those lightsabers lit up, that would be amazing. Alright, next. World of Warcraft, Arthas. Now this is pretty badass. Love this statue. Actually it lights up. Hopefully I have enough battery. There you go. All his glory. My first sideshow piece. Sideshow collectibles. Alright, let's move on. Look at this piece right here. Another piece I like. As soon as I saw it, I said I had to have it. Magneto. And this is from Bowen, I believe. Yeah, Bowen. So usually their statues are not that big, but this one, I mean, it fits perfectly with the 1/4 scale statues, even though it's not. I mean, I love the hand. Look at the detail. And that's crazy. Just floating. Now this is a digital sculpt. I'm tired. It's late. But yeah, I love the way this came out. Some people have issues with digital. I don't know. I like it. I buy it. I mean, You know, as you can see, I don't have a lot of pieces. So I only buy them if I really like fall in love with them. Here's the modern Rogue, another Bowen Designs. Pretty cool. As you can tell, I like the Bowen Designs that are nice and tall and floating. For some reason I like them floating. Alright, got some empty cases here. Those are all for my pre-orders. Can't wait to get those next year sometime, I guess, or later this year. Alright, this next one. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Star Wars. This one's Sideshow Collectibles, and this is... I forget her name. Great. Anyway, she's from Star Wars. And I believe it's Scar, something like that. Anyway, I'm sure you guys online will know who she is. But I just love the pose. It's premium format, real cloth. Lightsaber lights up. Look at the detail. That's crazy. Alright, gonna move on to the next one. At some point I might do some detailed stuff with the statues, but right now I'm just gonna go through them quickly. Alright, my Spawn collection. Spawn is actually what made me start all this collecting. This one's amazing. This is my Spawn and Halo collection. As you can tell, they all have guns right now, ready to whoop some butt. There you go. Alright, more Spawn, or McFarlane. Here's a gift I got there from Walking Dead. Also Todd McFarlane's signature. That was awesome when I found that. It was in a Spawn statue, the 20th anniversary. They're inserted randomly, and I didn't even know it was in there until I opened it like 20 years later. Almost, or 10 years later. Yeah, so that was a nice surprise. Wings of Redemption. Look at this guy. Again, I'm going through this pretty quickly, just to give you guys an idea of my collection. For some reason I love horses and medieval stuff, so can't wait to get some statues like that. Alright, this is my movies. Well, video game movies. So this is Final Fantasy. I don't know if you can see them. Some Akira. Hellraiser. Kill Bill. Freddy Krueger. Look at the detail. Gotta love McFarlane. Alright, so this is my Jokers, my only Hot Toys I have. So I saw this painting, bought the painting, and I said I have to have those figures wherever they are. I have to have them. So I hunted them down, and here's my version of it. I got dad and son, and all their money, guns, all this stuff. And there's their protection, Spawn. We got another Yamato USA here. Something Ritual, I believe. Final Fantasy. Another Yamato fantasy figure statue. Yeah, so it's a badass team right there. Anyway, we're gonna move on. Alright, so now this is just a random McFarlane again, movies. Got Neo. Some car stuff. That car was a gift. That's an Evo. All decked out. Then I got some Initial D cars. Got the twins. Hello, Trinity. I don't know if it'll focus, but there she is. More movies. Neo. Got some Terminator in the back. Oh, there's no light in here. Or in the bottom, but as you can see, Alien vs. Predator. Kind of made this one coming out like it's leaping. I don't know. Kind of cool. Legend. Little boy. Love this movie. Alright. Alright, now we're getting to my anime. Now I'm pushing 10 minutes, so I'm going to probably run out of battery very, very soon. I keep saying that, but now I don't know the name of all these statues. I mean, Wonder Woman obviously, but as you can see, there's my anime collection. More anime. Now these are more like the fighters protecting, you know, Conan there in the middle. Just giving you a quick walkthrough. And let's do more anime. Now these are from an artist that I absolutely love. I collect all his art books. Shunya Yamashita. He did the Final Fantasy character costumes, and you know, his women are very sexy and deadly at the same time, have awesome outfits. Okay, 10% battery. So yeah. Alright, gotta rush through this. Alright. Some more anime. Now I normally don't have a background for these, but I saw this background in one of the statues. It's a Tokyo Land, and I had to put it in here. So that's pretty cool. Kind of looks like a nightclub or something. Some more anime. Alright. Let's see what else I can fit into here. Alright. Alright, so here's my music. Rob Zombie. My Janis Joplin. Love that statue. Now these were in the package for like almost 10, 15 years. And I finally took them out. And posted Jim Morrison. So. Sports. Shaquille O'Neal. Even Tigger. Baseball. Wrestling. Yep. Alright. So next time I'll probably get more into the art that I have on the wall, but you know, it's Greg Horn, got signature, awesome artist. It's another print signed. Lady Mechanica. Again, the Jokers. Cargill, painting. Iron Man. And again, these are paintings. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the strokes in the paint. These are originals, so it's really awesome. My friend Sam made this for me. Actually, it says art, A-R-T. I don't know if you can see it, but he also made this, which is Akuma. It's all done by hand. Pretty badass. And there we go, Optimus. Signed. Got that at Comic-Con. Awesome stuff. While we're at it, let's try to put some room in for this. Alright, so here's my comic book wall. All types of comics. The Boys, which I love that series. Bomb Queen. Spawn. Again, none of these are super rare or anything. It's just, they mean something to me, so just like them. Spider-Man. Superman. Silver Surfer. Iron Man. Just got this one in. First issue of Wonder Woman. Pretty awesome. Okay, that's like amazing. Every time I see that picture, goosebumps. Awesome stuff. Let's see. An original Walking Dead Michonne. Got that at Comic-Con. Here's my Walking Dead wall. Gotta love issue 19, issue 1. That's the chromatic or metallic one. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Another Michonne. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll try to have some more videos in the future with some more details. Talk to you later. Peace.